Hey guys, this is Austin.
And John.
With Walton's TV, and this is Meatgistics. If you like chorizo, you've come to the right place because today we're going to show you guys how to make your own homemade chorizo.
Now there are two main types of chorizo, Mexican or Spanish. Both are typically made from ground pork and they can be sweet or spicy. The Spanish version is usually dry cured, where the Mexican is usually fresh. The spices used in chorizo will normally give you a finished product that is reddish in color and is usually made with a very fatty ground pork, even up to 50-50 lean to fat ratio. You can use leaner pork or beef, venison, wild game, chicken, turkey, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Today, we're making Mexican-style chorizo from untrimmed pork butts, which is usually about 70-30 lean to fat ratio or right in that range. An important addition to chorizo is vinegar. You should try to use a 50-grain vinegar if you can. Basically, this means you're looking for something right around 5% acidity. Most basic white vinegar from any grocery store will be right in that range of 5%. We're going to use 1 bag of Excalibur Seasonings chorizo seasoning, plus 8 ounces of 50-grain vinegar to grind, mix, and then stuff some of it into collagen casings for sausage, and then some of it we're going to put into meat bags just for a bulk sausage.
Let's jump in and get to our sausage making. We're going to be using our brand new Weston No. 12 750 watt meat grinder to grind the pork twice through a 3/16 inch grinder plate. Make sure that your grinder plates and knives are sharp and lubricated with white oil before grinding to give you a nice clean cut and to prevent any smearing. Plus, make sure your meat is as cold as possible.
With the grinding done, we're on to mixing. Since we're not making a cured product, we don't need to worry about protein extraction during the mixing process, so we're just going to mix this by hand. We're going to add the seasoning and the vinegar at the same time so that the meat, fat, seasoning, and vinegar can all mix together easily. We'll mix just a couple of minutes and it's just going to take as long as it takes for it to be evenly dispersed throughout the meat.
You can stuff your chorizo into either natural casings, collagen casings, or meat bags. Most recipes for chorizo call for chorizo to be used as a ground product in other dishes, so we're going to stuff some into meat bags. But we also like eating chorizo as just a regular sausage, so we're also going to stuff some into collagen casings. Natural casings are probably more typical for chorizo. We like the simplicity and ease to use in the collagen casings, so we're stuffing in collagen casings today. But you can definitely use other natural sheep or hog casings. If you are using natural hog casings, just make sure you soak and flush them before you use them.
As you stuff, avoid creating air pockets when you load your sausage stuffer. A good way to do this is to load your first level at an angle so the meat covers the bottom and then slopes slightly from one side to the other. Add the next layer and leave an angle sloped in the opposite direction. Make sure you're packing it down in there between loads. Stuff casings until they're smooth and full, and then twist into links or cut to desired lengths.
Anytime you're stuffing sausage, we always recommend using an actual sausage stuffer for consistency and stuffing, just a better overall product. But if you're making bulk sausage and using a grinder to stuff meat bags, it is possible. It doesn't always work as well as a stuffer. As you can see in our video, it was a little difficult.
Yes.
It can work, but in most cases, using a sausage stuffer is the best way to go.
It's just easier. You're going to save yourself a lot of time and aggravation. So when using a grinder or sausage stuffer with meat bags, just use your largest stuffing tube to make it as easy as possible. Stuff and fill the bags the desired amount, then close the bags with our stainless steel poly bag sealer or hog ring pliers.
As you can see, making homemade chorizo is really quite simple and easy. Probably the hardest part to this whole thing is simply the sanitizing and cleaning. By using products from Walton's and seasoning from Excalibur, you can make some outstanding meat products that your entire family will love and your friends will envy all the tasty treats you can make.
To learn how to make other amazing meat snacks, visit our website at meatgistics.com for other videos and tutorials for everything from snack sticks to ham, bacon, jerky, and much more. And visit waltonsinc.com to find all the supplies, seasoning, and equipment needed to make the sausage.
Make sure you subscribe to Walton's TV on YouTube to be the first to know when we release new videos. Plus, if you like this video, do us a favor and click that like button on this video and share the video as well. If you have any other questions or feedback, leave us a comment on this video or visit our community site at meatgistics.com to ask questions and find answers. As always, visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching How to Make Homemade Chorizo. This is Austin
And John
with Walton's TV, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's TV to watch more YouTube videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. You can also watch more videos from Walton's TV by clicking here or clicking here.